Hey guys, this is Agish Kavital from AK Fitness. In this video, I'm going to give you some nutrition advice on how to lose weight. So if you're on a track of losing weight, the first thing you need to do is your carbs, your carbohydrates. Those are your enemies, because when you eat carbohydrates, what happens is it goes into your body and it digests really fast. So if you don't work out, it's going to go and get stored as fat. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the favorable timings to take in your carbohydrates so that it doesn't go and store into a fat, but it goes into your muscle and you can build more muscle. So the first time, the best time you can take in your carbohydrates is after your workout, your post-workout. After you worked out, your muscles are drained and it's sore now, it needs energy. So once you've given your carbohydrates, it's immediately going to go to your muscles, straight into your muscles, and your muscles are going to grow. The next time is the better time, the other good time to take it is in the morning, right after you wake up. After you slept for 8 to 9 hours, your muscles are again, all the carbohydrates have been used up by the muscles and the muscles are getting craving. So you can take in good amount of carbohydrates in the morning so that none of the carbohydrates goes into fat. And the last timing you can take in the carbohydrates is your pre-workout. Before you work out, you take in your carbohydrates, slow digesting, so that this goes into your body and it gives you energy to work out. So any other time you take carbohydrates, what happens is it goes into your body and gets stored as fat, because carbohydrates digest really fast. That's why I say always go with slow digesting carbohydrate, the low glycemic, such as brown rice, oatmeal. All these stuff are really slow. So when you eat them, what happens is it goes into your bloodstream really slow, so that all the energy source doesn't go into fat storage. It goes into your muscles. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more. See you guys next time. Peace.
Guys, hope you guys like the video. If you do check out my previous videos right there, and do check out the video, the diets I explained, which transformed me from the badass to badass. Videos right there, so do the play, check it out. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, like us on Facebook, and do subscribe. See you guys next time.